Raksha. Welcome to our channel TV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. So today we are going to make paper bow. So let's get started. First we will take craft paper and fold it into a triangle. And again fold it into a small triangle. And unfold the paper. Now take scissors and cut one of the triangle. Friends, don't forget to keep center part. Now fold the paper. And draw a curve. And cut it. Now take scale and pencil and mark on 2 cm from both the sides. And join the lines. Now cut the marked part. And now cut the shown part. Now take glue and apply it on center. And stick the ends. And it's almost ready. Now take a small part of a circle and stick it on the bow. Now our bow is ready. These are 2 more bows with different color. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.